Hello students. Now let us do the next poem, Palanquin Bearers. Palanquin Bearers. Now students, can you see the picture? What can you see? This is called palanquin. So what do you mean by palanquin? Palanquin is a large wooden box carried on two horizontal poles by 4 or 6 bearers. Now, like this palanquin, where have you seen this? Yes, it is an ancient Indian culture. Here, in the olden days, people used to carry the royal brides. Royal brides or a lady of higher birth, or in a noble family, they are carried to their desired place, right? And you can see this palanquin in the temples also. The deities in the temple also are taken in the procession during the festivals. You have seen that. That is palanquin in Kannada means pallakki antare, and in Hindi palki. So this is palanquin. This is about a palanquin. So we'll learn about the poem Palanquin Bearers. This poem is written by Sarojini Naidu. So let us introduce the poet Sarojini Naidu. She's well known as the Nightingale of India, a famous English poetess. She was a political activist and played an active role in the freedom movement. She was the first woman to become the governor of an Indian state after independence. Some of her major contributions are The Broken Wing, The Bird of Time, The Golden Threshold, etc. This is all about the poet. Now let us read the poem. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Here, the palanquin bearers carry the bride after her wedding to her husband's house. They carry the bride happily. The poem is full of descriptive similes. Their song, they keep on singing while they carry the bride. Their song is related to the situation of the bride. So what they say is lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. The poem, the brides, they carry the bride very lightly. She is very delicate. They are delighted to carry the bride and they don't feel the weight of her. She sways like a flower in the wind of her song. That means the poem uses a number of comparisons here. The bride is swaying, that is moving. The bride is moving is compared with a flower's movement in wind, like how the flower moves in the wind, so lightly. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. Yes, she's said to be floating. The bride's swaying is compared with a flower's movement in wind, and she skims like a bird. How the bird skims? It moves on a foam of stream. It just sits on a foam of stream and it flies away. Slightly, like the bird how it skims, even she also moves slightly sitting in a palanquin. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Yes, she is said to be floating like a dreaming smile from the lips of a person who dreams. Yes, this shows that she is happy. She gives a dreaming smile. She is so delicate. They just continue their singing while they carry her. So let us stop here. We'll continue the poem in the next class. Thank you.